Today, we will talk about expected utility. Expected utility is an economic term that summarizes the utility that an entity or aggregate economy is expected to reach under various circumstances. It is calculated by taking the weighted average of all possible outcomes under certain circumstances. The weights are assigned based on the likelihood or probability of any particular event occurring. The expected utility of an entity is derived from the expected utility hypothesis, which is used to make decisions under uncertainty. It is based on the concept of analyzing situations without knowing the outcomes and choosing the action that maximizes the expected utility. It also notes that the utility of money does not necessarily equate to the total value of money and helps to explain why people may take out insurance policies to cover themselves for various risks. The concept of expected utility was first introduced by Daniel Bernoulli, who used it to solve the St. Petersburg Paradox, a game of chance involving a coin toss and unlimited stakes. Bernoulli distinguished between expected value and expected utility, using weighted utility multiplied by probabilities instead of using weighted outcomes to solve the paradox. Expected utility is related to the concept of marginal utility and explains how it decreases when a person is rich or has sufficient wealth. This is evident in scenarios such as purchasing lottery tickets, where the diminishing marginal utility of wealth affects the decision-making process. The expected utility theory is plausible over modest stakes but fails when the incremental marginal utility amounts are insignificant. Decisions involving expected utility are often made in situations with uncertain outcomes, such as buying lottery tickets or purchasing insurance. These decisions involve calculating the probability of expected outcomes and weighing them against the expected utility before making a decision. For example, purchasing a lottery ticket has two possible outcomes, and the buyer must weigh the expected utility of purchasing it against not buying it. Similar calculations can be made to evaluate the expected utility of purchasing insurance versus retaining the investment amount for other opportunities and products. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Expected utility refers to the utility of an entity or aggregate economy over a future period of time, given unknowable circumstances. 2. Expected utility theory is used as a tool for analyzing situations in which individuals must make a decision without knowing the outcomes that may result from that decision. 3. The expected utility theory was first posited by Daniel Bernoulli, who used it to solve the St. Petersburg Paradox. 4. Expected utility is also used to evaluate situations without immediate payback, such as purchasing insurance. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.